Meaning of humus.
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 Humus. Humus refers to the organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of plant and animal matter. It is a dark, nutrient-rich material that enhances soil fertility and physical structure. Humus helps to retain water and nutrients in the soil, while also promoting healthy root growth. In addition, humus supports a diverse array of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and insects, which boost soil health. Ultimately, the presence of humus in soil is crucial for maintaining the long-term productivity and health of plant ecosystems, and is an important consideration for sustainable agriculture and land use practices.